But the Bible has always said that what makes you happy or unhappy, the issues that make you happy or unhappy, are profoundly cosmic and profoundly spiritual and have been unchanged for millennia. What I'd like to do this fall is to go to one of the most ancient and one of the most famous ancient texts in the world, and that is the book of Psalms. Very well known, very famous. And I would like you, with me, to take a look at these ancient texts and bring them to bear on what we call the problems that we have now, that we were supposed to have addressed, supposed to have made progress against, because now we know in a way that our ancestors didn't, but we haven't made any of that progress. And today, the first question is, what does the Bible tell us about the issue of happiness? Have you, in this modern world, learned how to become happy and stay happy? I hope there's nobody here that thinks that's a trivial question, that that's beneath you somehow. Because if you read the psychology books and the urban planning books and the sociology books and even the biochemistry books and the political science books and the sociology books, you know what they're really about? Oh, they've got big words. Oh, they've got they have paradigms. But they're all about the problem. We're not happy. How can we be happy? And listen, as we take a look and see what the Bible says here, I want to say to my Christian friends, don't you think, as you read this psalm, you may have read this psalm many times, it's a very famous psalm, don't you think, as we go through these biblical principles, you may have heard them before, you may have heard them many times, but ask yourself a question, all through this teaching, if I really know this, why am I so unhappy?